Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect a Hostinger domain to Shopify in 2024. So connecting a Hostinger domain to your Shopify store, of course you will need to update your DNS settings in Hostinger to point to your Shopify store. And of course, this will allow your custom domain to direct visitors to your Shopify hosted online store instead. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. Make sure to open both hostinger.com and open Shopify also. So type shopify.com and make sure to connect into your both accounts into Hostinger. Click on login to log in into your account. And for Shopify, if you don't have an account, you can simply just go and create an account right away, right now. Very simple. So the first thing that you'll need to do is verify your domain on Hostinger. So if you go to Hostinger, click on domains example, make sure that you have your domain ready. As you can see, for me, there is nothing here. So that means I have no domain. So first, I'll need to get a domain first. As an example, you can find a new domain by simply entering the domain that you want to get here. As an example, I'll just basically just type here maybe omics as an example, like tester or something like that .com, and then click on search. As you can see, it seems like the cheapest. So yeah, as you can see, you'll be able to get it for $5, but only for 2 years plus. So, but if you want, I want 1 year, so it's $8 if I want to get it for just 1 year. Okay, it seems like good. So here's an example. Just go and get 1 year example. So the total will be $8.17, which is taxes and fees and etc. So you can choose a payment method and buy it, and you should be good to go. Then, of course, you can simply just go, as an example, click on transfer domain if you want to transfer it to your Shopify by click on transfer domain. As example, here, enter the domain that you want to transfer. As example, let's say it's omics.com or something like that, because like the other one is not registered yet. As an example, it should meet two things. It should has 60 days passed since registration or transfer and should not be locked. How to unlock it, as an example, if you own it, just click in here and you will see how to unlock it. Transfer lock, just turn it off on Hostinger or any other option here. You can click on it, as an example, GoDaddy, whatever it is, and they will show you instructions on how to unlock it. Once you unlock it, as an example, it should be here. So you can check again. Click on check again once you unlock it. Once you click on it, of course, you'll have the option to transfer it right away if you want to transfer it. But as we said in the beginning of this video, we would like to connect Hostinger domain to Shopify. We don't want to transfer it. So you can just go back. No need to transfer. Just go to your Shopify store, as an example now. And here, make sure first of all that you have an online store. If you don't have one, just go and create one. It's very, very easy. It will take from you maybe even less than a minute to create. If you don't answer questions, if you click on skip all, you'll create it very fast. Then, if you go to the select panel, as example, click on settings. And here, I will scroll down until I find domains. So here's it. Just go and click on that. So you have two options. If you still did not get domain yet, first of all, in Hostinger, you can simply here click on buy new domain and check as an example the domain that you want. Maybe it's going to be cheaper here if you want to get it. So, as example, maybe omixtester.com and click on the enter button. As you can see, so it seems available, but as you can see, much like not cheap as in here. So here was $8 and here 15. So it seems like it's not cheap. You can get .store for just 9, example for first year, and year after that like 53, which is insane. So I don't think it's worth it. Maybe just get it in here and connect it to your Shopify store. How to do that? Basically, just go back here, go and click on connect an existing domain. Here you'll have to enter the domain that's already in there. So, as an example, maybe this domain, omix.com. And here, as you can see, connects your domain. So to connect your domain, you'll be able to follow the instructions to change your provider account settings. And you can verify the connection to make sure your domain is set up correctly. So you can first of all check the instructions and follow. So there's a problem in loading this page. Technical problem, Shopify Help Center. Prevent this page from loading. Please go back to the Help Center homepage or try reloading this page. So just go here. Yeah, so I'll just go to the Help Center. Yeah, okay, so the Help Center page has a problem, it seems, as an example. So just go back again and click on if you still have this problem example. Go back again maybe after 1 hour or so and click on full instruction settings. Of course, you can even try to contact them if you have a way to do that. So if you click on follow settings instructions, they will show you basically how to connect your domain name, your hosting your domain name to your Shopify. And once you follow those instructions, you can come back here, click on verify, and from here you can verify if it's connected or not. Of course, like, so let me just go and type that back as an example. So omx.com. So once you've done this, basically the instructions will be they will give you some DNS records. In these DNS records, you will have to go here to your hostinger. First of all, go to your domain. As an example, go to the domain that you have. You'll have to click on Manage Settings or Manage DNS Records, and you will get, of course, those DNS records from here, from Shopify. They will give you once you're trying to connect it. And of course, you'll basically have to add those DNS records here. You can go back to your hostinger and you'll need to add or updated DNS records. You'll have to add basically, I guess it will be in A records, type A, name hosts, ads, point value, the IP address provided by Shopify. It's going to be something like 23.227 point maybe 38 or something like that, something random. Not random, but something like that. The TCL will be default or 14 like 400. And you'll have, I guess, also to add the CNAME records, which is the type is going to be CNAME, host is going to be www, value or points will be shop.myshopify.com, shops.myshopify.com, and the TLL will be again default or 14400. And you can simply, once you edit those, you can save the settings. You can go back then, click on verify connection. It may take some time, so you'll have to be patient a little bit. And yeah, once you're done, you can simply set the primary domain in Shopify. Then you can test it. How to test it? Go to this domain example omx.com to a new tab and check if you can find your domain, your websites that you have on Shopify in here. If you have it, that means you already good to go. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.